still. Daddy, Tiny's doing weird stuff. Look at his mouth. He keeps opening it.
Echo, stop.
Move Robinson so I can see.
Do
Move
not-
Robinson. I had tried to.
Do not keep opening his mouth. He's trying. There's a food there and you hold him. He cannot breathe.
I look at his neck. The stuff. Look at the side. Look right there. Look like here. Move him to the side. Move him right here. Look at his neck. Look at his neck. I look and he hasn't ate yet. No, I've ate. I fed him.
Let's Echo play bird noises.
And then he can chew properly.
Okay, here's bird sounds.
Blow it up to match. Oh no. What happened? The water spilled.
There, get that pot that there. I told you, right? I told you, Mariah.
Look at me.
Guys, if the bird will die, make sure you're ready and not too much crying.
Tiny, don't sleep. We can't let him sleep. Don't let him sleep.
What are you doing?
He keeps sleeping. Tiny. I think he might
Go
be.
get his food to see if he's hungry. Maybe he's hungry and he's starving and he's doing that because he's hungry.
Okay, bring them there.
Okay.
Robinson, Mariah's coming. Put them in the big table.
He needs to dry up, I think. I think he needs to dry.
So what happened now?
His
I
nose.
think his nose is plugged.
And he,
No voice still?
since
Baby. Please, baby.
Keep trying the voice, Robinson.
I drew.
Keep chirping.
I look inside his body, let's see what's wrong. Put it back.
The problem is
I can
There's
see
a-
his heart.
there-
We can see his heart.
there's a problem because he's
That's
sick.
his heart.
He's
Right
sick.
there.
There's a problem because he's shaking.
I keep punching his back. I think he's choking or something.
No, if he's choking, he can't last that long.
Something obstruction in his thing. Maybe he ate too much. There's a big piece in his tummy.
Guys, Tiny is very sick, and we don't know if Tiny's gonna die. Look at his mouth, guys. You see his mouth? So Abigail, our best friend, she's gonna say her goodbyes to Tiny. Here. I'm gonna tell you what I think of Tiny. Hold on. So Tiny is very cute, and we just tamed him. So if he dies, the taming, all the hard work would be worth nothing. Okay, Abigail, what do you want to say?
So, today I'm gonna make a little Bobby dream house for him, so he will remember that we're always with him. We always will. Look at him.
Tiny's
Did
eating.
you know I got a little toy for Tiny?
Oh, this could be a poop scooper. Whenever he poops on like the carpet, I can just scoop it up.
I found
Show
a
me.
fiddle.
A Tiny? Oh my god, Tiny.
Yeah, this is to put in Tiny's funeral.
But I hope Tiny doesn't have a funeral because we want him to live, right?
Oh, look, you can see his neck.
Yeah, that's
Look,
his.
this is, look, do you want this? Do you know how you like the mythical egg? This is the mythical
Ross,
egg.
no, not yet. Not yet. Pause it. This is Tiny's moment. Leave it.
Tiny.
Robinson, pause it. So this is Tiny's moment, okay? So first you tell. Stop, Robinson. First, Abigail. Robinson. First, Abigail. Tell us what you think of Tiny.
Tiny is very cute. I hope he doesn't die. He's so cute. He always flies around. He always seems fun. I hope he will never die.
Robinson, tell us what you think of Tiny.
He's playful. He's nice. Every time he's running, he chirps, and then we come downhill to get him.
Is that all? So Tiny forgot how to chirp. He doesn't know how to chirp. He only goes. He doesn't know how to chirp anymore. I think he forgot. So we're gonna teach him how to chirp. Are you ready? Go! Abigail first. Teach him how to chirp. And now Robinson, go. Okay, now my turn. Okay, and Tiny is not learning. Wow.
Hey, guys, look, I got a little bird seed here in case. I got that cat!
Wait. Guys, so this is Tiny. He's finally eating again. He's still sick, but he's happy.
I think because of the aircon, so we will turn off the aircon already.
I thought he was gonna die. I cried so hard.
Aw, thank you, Tiny, for eating.
He's making a mess out of his towel.
Everybody is goodbye to Tiny because
Yeah, upstairs we recorded us making a funeral sound for Tiny. We made a sound saying, "Tiny, please don't die. Please stay alive for your mother and Abigail."
So
and we
Abigail,
made-
did you pray for Tiny?
I hope Tiny
It's
can.
getting better now.
Cake?
Oh, don't touch
want
that.
cake?
It's painting, girl.
You want cake?
No touching painting.
You want cake?
Aw.
You want cake or
Keep watching them, so give him a chance to eat there.
cake?
Okay,
Aw.
but I don't want him to fly away too.
Yeah, oh, look at that. Tiny's family. Close your face to Tiny boy.
You're hurting my underarm.
Smile. Oh, look at that. What happened to your face,
Wow!
guys?
Wait, Tiny bit our finger. Now we're turning into him.
Okay. So Tiny bite you guys?
Yeah.
And that's what happened. Ah!
Tiny, our child! Come on!
I can give you more,
What? No.
but if you give me nothing, I will also give you all, and I will always give you. I can give you more, but if you give me nothing, I will also give you all, and I will always give you. I can give you more. 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 I can give you more.
Hear eating noises. Did he just poop in my hair and make a whole entire nest? Oh.
If you give me a little, I can give you more. But if you give me nothing, I will also give you all.